morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're listening from today. My name is Oluko Antideke. If today is your first time on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You're so welcome. Today on this channel, we're going to be learning the alphabet of Yoruba language. Now, there are 25 of them. It is almost impossible to learn everything in one go today. So therefore, I'm going to be splitting the session into 3, okay? The first one, which is today, we're going to be learning the first 8 letters of Yoruba alphabet. Now, before we go any further, I would love to greet everyone in Yoruba language, okay? Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, a kú dédé àsìkò yìí. Ẹ wò, orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Antideke. Tí òní bá jọ́jọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tí màá sọ̀rọ̀ ètò yìí, inú mi dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ láti rí ẹ káàbọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ṣe rí lórí ètò ní òní, a máa kọ́ nípa àwọn alífábẹ́ẹ̀tì èdè Yorùbá. A ní alífábẹ́ẹ̀tì 15, a sì lè kọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀tàn ní òní yìí. A máa pín ẹ̀kọ́ yìí sí ìpele 3. Ìpele àkọ́kọ́ tó jẹ́ ti tòní, a máa kọ́ 8 nínú àwọn alífábẹ́ẹ̀tì èdè Yorùbá ní òní yìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, gbogbo nǹkan tí a bá kọ́ ní òní, ẹ má dàda àwọn ọmọ yìí nìkan. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo máa rọ̀ yín wípé ẹ máa fi àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà, àwọn nǹkan tá a máa fi hàn wọ́n ní òní, ẹ máa fi ṣàpèjúwe ọ̀rọ̀ fún wọn náà ní àárín ọ̀sẹ̀ ní inú ilé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mo wípé àwọn ọmọ mi èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ní ọ̀pọ̀ nu wọn tí wọ́n gbọ́, wọn ò tí ì gbọ́ Yorùbá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, Yorùbá wọn ò tí ì múnádóko bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Nítorí náà, a máa kọ́ wọn ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, a sì máa túmọ̀ fún wọn. Ṣé ó ti yé yín? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Ẹ ṣé o fún àkókò yín. Going back to what I was saying. So today we're going to be learning the first 8 alphabets of Yoruba alphabets. Now repeat after me. A. Very simple. Ó rọrùn. It's as simple as that. Just repeat after me and you see how easy it is. Okay? So let us start again. A, B, D. Hold on. You're wondering where the C is gone, right? Yes, there is no C in Yoruba alphabet. There are only A, B, D. Okay, so we're going to start all over again. Also, you will notice that we're going to be mentioning 2 E's. We'll be pronouncing them differently, and also you will see that there's a huge difference between the first E and the second E. The first E has got no signs or any ticks on them, but the second E has got a dot underneath just to differentiate it. Okay, so A, B, D, A, F, G, B. Did you get that? Should we take it again? A, B, D, A, F, G, B. Okay? Now, I'm going to be telling you what they stand for. Just the way in English alphabet, you've got A for apple, B for bird. Okay? Yoruba too is got similar. Okay? So repeat after me, and I'll be telling you what they mean. Okay? Aja. Aja means dog. B, bata. Bata means shoe. D, dokita. D, dokita. Dokita means doctor. A, eku. Eku means rat. Eye. Eye means bird. Fila. Fila means cap. Gi, gongon. Gongon means drum, traditional drum in Yoruba land. Very similar to the one here, okay? Gbegiri is a beans soup in Yoruba land. Okay, so I would love you to repeat this again and again. You can play this video again and again for you to understand that. Okay, now next week I'll be asking you this. Okay, and next week, can you come up with a sample for me of what words and what alphabet is your favorite that you've used the most during the week? Okay, I'll be expecting mommy and daddy to add that on the comment section, okay, for you. Okay, now when I'm going to end this video today, I'm going to be asking you to say goodbye with me in Yoruba language, which is O Dabo. Okay, so when I say I'm going to be counting 1, 2, 3, go, you will say O Dabo with me. But hold on, I'll let you know when that is to happen. So I'm going to quickly speak with mommy and daddies and I'll come back to you. Okay, adúpẹ́ o, ẹ̀yin ìyá wa, ẹ̀yin bàbá wa, adúpẹ́ fún àkókò tí ẹ ti fún wa ní òní yìí, adúpẹ́ gidi gan. Àmọ́ mo fẹ́ rọ̀ yín pé ẹ jọ̀ọ́, àwọn nǹkan tá ti kọ́ àwọn ọmọ yìí lórí ètò ní òní, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ máa fi bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ nílé, ẹ máa fi ṣàpèjúwe bóyá ẹ̀ ń jáde tẹ́ bá rí ajá lọ́nà, ẹ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé ajá tàn sọ òun nìyí. Ṣé mọ̀? Bàtà lọ kó bàtẹ wá, ẹ máa fi bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ nílé, láàrin lọ kó bàtẹ wá. Àwọn nǹkan yóò máa jẹ́ kí àwọn nǹkan tá à ń kọ́ wọn yìí kó tètè yé wọn yéké. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo rọ̀ yín ni, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé àṣà ìlárugẹ papọ̀. Ẹ ṣé gidi gan, mo dúpẹ́ fún àkókò tí ẹ ti fún mi ní òní yìí. And children, we would love to say our O Dabo now. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. O Dabo.